slicer. Let me go to this sheet. So this is the table of content which talks about ICC World Cup 2023 schedule. So instead of doing manual filters, we can use slicers to do the advanced filter. For example, I want to show all the 2 o'clock matches. In that case, I can simply click on this icon so that all the 2 o'clock matches will be filtered for me. And I want to go on weekends. So I want to see all the Saturdays alone. If that's a scenario, yes, I can see 2 o'clock matches with Saturday. If I want both Saturday and Sunday, simply press Control so that it will show all the Saturday and Sunday matches. And if I'm in Chennai and I want to see with these two conditions, then simply click on this Chennai so that I can see only the Chennai match. Now let us see how to create these kind of a slicers with the help of raw data. So go to insert and click on slicer. So you will be getting this kind of an error message. Why? The main reason is slicer will work only in table, pivot chart and cube functions. For example, you can simply go here and then hover the mouse. It talks about use a slicer to filter data visually. Slicers make it faster and easier to filter table, pivot chart, and cube function. So what we have to do? Simply click Control T to create a table. Or else you can also go to Insert and create a table. Now I can go to Insert, click on the slicer so that all the options are visible for me. I can click day, time, and venue and click OK. So initially it will be like a stacked one. Then you can alter it according to your own needs. For example, I can go here and then I can simply minimize this option. By default, there will be only one column. If you want two columns, then you can simply click on this icon. Then you can maximize it as well, so that you'll be getting two different columns of data. Similarly, for this venue, I can create three different columns or maybe four also, and then I can drag this icon like this so that I can view all the content with me. So now this is how you can simply create a slicer. Now the same scenario, I'm just clicking on this 10 o'clock, 10:30 match, and then it shows all the 10:30 match for me. And I want to see only the Saturday matches. Yes, it is visible for me, and I want to go to Bengaluru. So that yeah, this is the apt match for me. So this is how you can create a slicer. If you want to clear all these items, simply click on this red icon so that you can clear all the slicer. Now let us go to the next example which talks about pivot table here. So here it is a small pivot table. I will go to insert, click slicer and then click day, time and venue. So I'm getting like this. So here also I can play with the data. I can click all the Monday matches to see who is playing with whom, and I want to show only the Delhi matches. Yes, I can do that. I can remove the filter. I can simply play with the data. So this is how you can use slicers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.